Stunning futuristic motorcycles. Futuristic electric bike. Star SLR. The Star SLR has evolved and bettered over time. Designer Arthur Martins claims he isn't done yet. The Star SLR is a pretty fascinating futuristic bike, with its unconventional shape that blends between both wheels almost seamlessly. The bike comes with a seat that sits pretty much flush against the frame, with a curvature that's ever so slight.
The Star SLR has minimal ground clearance, basic suspension, and doesn't really steer because it doesn't need to. Designer Martins claims that he's working on a street-legal version with further detailing. In front of the seat, on the SLR's body is its battery indicator, and right under the seat itself is the rechargeable battery.
In keeping with the two-wheeler's pristine form, the SLR's dashboard shifts to a tiny speedometer on the left handlebar, while the headlamp and tail lamp are edge-lit transparent bars on the front and back of the form. The high-contrast black and silver bodywork is sure to make the Star SLR visible on salt flats from a great distance. Next. Pernik Segment motorcycle concept by Art.
Russian designer Art has come up with this dazzling concept. This totally unique look is achieved through a series of styling choices, including an ultra-short tail, almost fully enclosed fairings, some small rear dual exhausts, old-school dual rear shocks, and the less is more headlight styling. As a result, we see really stunning bike. Take a look.
Coming up next is Tesla Model M motorcycle. Independent designer Jans Slapins shows us what he thinks Elon Musk and company could cook up with this Tesla Model M motorcycle concept. The London-based designer has done a stellar job with the concept bike, keeping the design aesthetics in line with what we've become accustomed to from the California EV producer. The bike is powered by a 204 PS, that is, 150 kilowatts electric motor that allows the rider to choose from 4 different computer-controlled modes including race, cruise, standard, and eco. The electric motor is powered by lithium-ion batteries that are installed low on the bike's frame. The motorcycle features no transmission, offers up a trunk storage space where the fuel tank would normally be, lightweight carbon fiber wheels, and a monoshock out back, along with upside-down forks up front for suspension.
Stunning Bugatti concept motorcycle by Anish Saga.
Indian industrial designer Anish Saga found himself asking pretty pertinent questions while sitting at home waiting for the lockdown to end. What if Bugatti's modern automotive DNA could be carried to a motorcycle? What if the motorcycle could, with 2 wheels, evoke the kind of emotion you would feel looking at any of Bugatti's 4-wheeled vehicles? The Audacieux, which is French for audacious, is a curvy, bold-looking beast that comes with an exaggerated cantilever headlight, a hubless front wheel, and an overall form that feels like a German X-French crossover collaboration between Luigi Colini and Bugatti. Just like its cars, the motorbike comes with the option of a 2-tone paint job. The Bugatti logo makes itself visible in chrome on the hubs of the rear wheel too, and given the conceptual nature of the motorbike, it's safe to speculate that this tame beast comes with an electric heartbeat.
Street Yamaha XS650, Bobber, black and gold.
Polish shop, Eastern Spirit Garage, have mastered the art of building cafe racers, and their latest perfect example of bike design proves it. The floating seat is completely handmade too, and features a very elegant suspension system that uses a mountain bike shock. On the outside, everything was done in black or gold plated, with a few brass and polished silver touches. ESG also made up a pair of intakes, and built a svelte new exhaust system with hidden silencers. There are a lot of small details to take in, beyond the obvious brass bits. Drilled out brake discs match the effect on the seat pan gussets and the foot control arms. And note how the rear turn signals are cleverly integrated with the frame. Take a look at this marvelous design.